Notice your intentions. Why are you watching this video right now? What's going on in your mind? Why did you turn it on? And what's going to happen after this moment? What are you going to do? Why will you do that? Noticing your little micro intentions before each action occurs helps you to learn a lot about yourself and your behaviors. Usually we do things without knowing why, but when we know why, we're becoming more mindful. And knowing why is critical to planning and achieving important things in your life. For more tips on how to live your full potential, visit fullpotential.com.